everyone's Alessandro Bruxel for Home Chef Seattle. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a pizza bread from scratch, but that is quite easy to put together. The dough doesn't require any kneading or rising time. You're basically mixing all ingredients together and in the oven it goes. It's that simple. I'm going to be topping mine with some marinara sauce, mozzarella cheese and pepperoni, but you can really use any toppings that you wish. I hope you guys enjoy. Let's get started. To start, crack 3 eggs in a large bowl. Add 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil and 1 cup of warm milk. Then, whisk it well to combine. Next, add 4 cups of all-purpose flour. One tablespoon of sugar and half tablespoon of salt. Mix everything well and incorporate another cup of warm milk little by little as you mix. Once well combined, add 2 tablespoons of baking powder and mix it in, but do not overmix it. Coat a large baking pan with oil and some flour. Then, pour the batter into the baking pan. Cover with a layer of tomato sauce. You can make your own sauce or simply use store-bought marinara or pizza sauce. Next, add a layer of shredded mozzarella cheese. And then top it with pepperoni. You can also add peppers, olives, mushrooms, onions, or any pizza toppings you like. Bake it in a preheated oven at 375 Fahrenheit, 190 Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes, or until baked and a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. And the pizza bread is ready. This is a quick and quite easy recipe to put together, and you can always get creative with the toppings. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like it, leave a comment, and subscribe for more recipes to come. Thank you for watching.